Hi, welcome back to Sadler of Nails. So I'm going to show you how you can use my full nail wraps, the water decals, with regular nail polish. I had someone place an order and they sent me an email asking if I had a tutorial with regular nail polish, and I didn't, so I felt there was a need for me to make one. So step one, you're going to cut the decal out to the size of your nail. Do this first before you paint your nails, just so that you can, put it on top of your nail bed and make sure that it fits without wrecking the nail polish. So do this first. And cut the nail wraps out for all your nails. For the sake of this video, I'm only doing one nail because I did have a set of press-ons on, so I had to pop one nail off just so that I could do this tutorial. So the next step is paint your nail using regular nail polish. I'm using BeBio, which is Bioseaweed Gel's nail lacquer line. It's a really, really good quality nail polish, and it dries so fast, which we all love. You are going to want the nail polish to be dry before you apply the decal, just so that it doesn't, squish your nail polish and get really messy. So here I am just doing the second coat. These wraps I am using are on transparent decal paper, so they are clear and you will only see the black leopard print. So next step is we're going to wet the decal. I just have some water in a pump bottle. I think it was Nailed by Christy, do that, and I thought, what an awesome idea than having a bowl of water. So I just put some in a pump bottle, and then the decal is ready when it easily slides off. It's like 10 to 20 seconds of the water saturating into the back. So I just had the decal pulled up a bit so that I can get it onto the cuticle, and then I just kind of held it there lightly with my thumb while I pulled off the paper. And then here I am just flattening the decal, and this is why you want your nail polish to be dry, so that you don't smudge the polish underneath the nail wrap. And then here I'm just trying to press it really, really firmly along the free edge. So usually I would file the decal off, but I was thinking that since we're using regular nail polish and it's not like a tacky base coat, it would most likely slide. So instead I am using some acetone in a dampened dish with just a little brush here. This is like a scrap brush that I no longer use for painting nails, which is why I now use it with acetone. So I just basically kept dabbing the acetone onto the nail wrap until it kind of dissolved it, and then I just grabbed the cotton pad and wiped it away, and it was really, really easy. I was actually surprised at how well the acetone worked. That is the first time I had tried doing that. So now you're going to want a top coat, and I just grabbed the only non-fast drying top coat that I have. You don't want to use a fast drying top coat because they tend to shrink the nail polish, and you definitely don't want to be shrinking the decal. It will cause wrinkles. So just use a regular top coat. It is going to take a really long time to dry, but that is the sacrifice with regular nail polish. And I also suggest doing 2 coats of your top coat. And there you have it, nail wraps with regular nail polish. Thank you for watching.